Please watch this video on blockchain technology usage in healthcare. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell button to watch our new videos like this. Please leave your comment on your topic of interest. Introduction. Blockchain technology is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger that is used to record transactions across a network of computers. It uses cryptography to ensure that once data is recorded, it cannot be altered or deleted. Each block in the chain contains a set of transactions, and once a block is added to the chain, it becomes a permanent part of the network. Blockchain technology is often associated with the concept of a smart contract, which refers to a self-executing contract with the terms of the agreement written into the code. This allows for automatic execution of the contract when certain conditions are met, and eliminates the need for intermediaries. The most famous blockchain technology is Bitcoin, but it is not the only one. There is a wide variety of blockchain technologies, such as Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin and many more. Each of these blockchain technologies have their own unique features and use cases. Because of its decentralized and secure nature, blockchain technology has the potential to be used in a wide range of industries, including finance, supply chain management, healthcare, and more, to increase transparency, security, and efficiency in various processes. Blockchain use case in healthcare. Blockchain technology is being explored for use in the healthcare industry to improve the security and privacy of electronic medical records, EMRs. By using a decentralized ledger, patients' personal and medical information can be stored in a secure, tamper-proof way. This can help prevent data breaches and unauthorized access to sensitive information. Additionally, blockchain can be used to create a single source of truth for medical data, which can improve the efficiency and accuracy of care delivery. In the future, blockchain may also be used to create smart contracts that automate the process of billing and claims management, as well as to track the supply chain of drugs to prevent counterfeit products. Overall, the goal of using blockchain in healthcare is to improve patient outcomes, reduce costs, and increase trust in the system. Blockchain project management. Implementing blockchain technology involves several steps, which can be broadly categorized into the following. Identifying a use case. The first step in implementing blockchain technology is to identify a specific problem or need that it can solve. This could be anything from improving supply chain management to reducing fraud in financial transactions. Choosing a blockchain platform. Once a use case has been identified, the next step is to choose a blockchain platform that best suits the needs of the project. Some of the most popular platforms include Ethereum, Hyperledger, and EOS. Setting up the network. The next step is to set up the network. This involves configuring the blockchain nodes, connecting them to the network, and establishing the consensus mechanism that will be used to validate transactions. Developing the smart contract. Once the network has been set up, the next step is to develop the smart contract. This involves writing the code that will be used to execute the terms of the contract automatically, based on predefined rules and conditions. Testing and deployment. Before deploying the blockchain network, it is important to test the smart contract to ensure that it is functioning correctly and that it is secure. This can be done using various testing tools and techniques. Maintenance and monitoring. After deploying the blockchain network, it is important to monitor it to ensure that it is running smoothly and to make any necessary updates or changes. This includes monitoring the performance of the network and ensuring the security of the data. Integration with existing systems. If the blockchain solution is intended to integrate with existing systems, this step is important and it involves integrating the blockchain network with other existing systems, such as databases, cloud services, and other IT systems. Adoption and scaling. Once the blockchain solution is up and running, the final step is to encourage the adoption and use of the blockchain network by relevant parties and to plan for future scaling of the network. It's important to note that implementing blockchain technology is not a simple task and it requires a good understanding of the technology, as well as experience in software development and IT infrastructure. Please let me know how you find this video and please do not forget to subscribe, like and press the bell button to watch our new videos like this. Please leave your comment for your topic of interest. Please let me know in comment section about your next topic of choice if you would like to learn more about specific topics or aspects related to hospital management and projects.